Yeah, but I was thinking like, oh, wait, you'll go back. So it's
Yeah, I'm doing it right now.
that one like stuck for like 5 minutes. And it's looking embarrassing.
No girl should drive.
I don't know.
I'm like, oh, it's ready. We're done. What?
Yeah, I do.
That's not even how you say it.
Who's the last one?
Probably like.
You pretty much
the
like
different
everything.
magazines, but that was
No,
like. Okay, so who's working for that? I'm like, who's there?
It's like short answer question after Q&A.
Yeah.
Playing is like, I just
Studying.
Yeah, yeah.
Only in Omaha.
Calc, physics, seminar, and then, seminar.
Have you ever forgotten to check something?
Seminar, Calc,
And then you like
all
break
the
it.
same day.
Oh, yeah. It's like when like being. It's like being.
And y'all.
Yeah, I mean like that. Big container, what do you mean big container? I mean, you just bring a giant ball. And you like pour it into plastic.
Us or, you know.
I'm gonna eat box, don't drink like. Oh, milk is not. Yeah, milk, did you even leave it in the fridge for a while? No, I'm saying milk is good. It's like raining. Take it out before you.
Yeah.
Let's go to our quiz review.
Oh, wizard.
So we've covered all of our topics. And let's see if we can finish up on page 5 now that we've learned how to do arc length. So here's our schedule. We'll finish up worksheet 1. I think today in class we should be able to get through all the worksheet 2, if not, or most, if not all of worksheet 2. Tomorrow we'll do worksheet 3, and that's pretty much we'll have gone through the entire packet, and then next Tuesday I will check the finished packet, okay, which I think there shouldn't be a whole lot that we need to do at home, since we can just get through most, if not all of it, between today and tomorrow in class. And then next Wednesday is going to be your quiz. But I think next Tuesday I'm going to spend that time to start the next units, and then maybe just use the last 15-20 minutes just to highlight and review a couple of concepts. You'll get to use your calculator for your quiz. I think also on page 5, I think you'll find this useful. You'll need to memorize these formulas, but I just wanted to kind of organize some of the important things that you want to be able to work towards memorize. So I want to just have it in one compact location so they can review that. So we'll start unit 9, which is parametric polar and vector value functions on Tuesday. Okay, and then quiz Wednesday. Any questions for these next few days? Let me check that. Is there anyone that knows that they're not going to be here tomorrow? Right. I just wanted to because I don't know what next week is going to hold in terms of the weather. I mean, if we have any more missed days, I still want to keep up with the content of our calendar. So I still want to have video lessons were similar to that Friday, that snow day, where we'll just do a like 45-minute lesson. And if you can't make it, then just try to watch the video. So I like to keep up with the material. Now, if there's any missed days, and I may condense the homework a little bit, but at the very least, if we can just keep up with our calendar as best as we can. Right, so tomorrow I will have you guys pick up the next unit's packet in case next week gets impacted. Right, let's page 5. Number 13. Oh yeah, sorry. Let me.
I also had a question about the what you've labeled BCA homework up there. Is that yesterday's homework?
Yeah, that's not something.
All right. I'll let you do that.
You want to show me at the end or show me now?
Can I show you my homework? And there was 53 to 56, right?
Right. All right, show me the rest.
Yeah.
Later. Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, you know, dog.
So if you can find f prime, and if you know what the formula is, it's just as easy as just putting it into that arc length interval formula. And move on to worksheet 2, your fifth with page 5. And also, I will have, help sessions, Tuesday and Wednesday. So Tuesday, 7:30, Wednesday, 7:30. I'm not gonna have any more additional, problems outside of worksheet 1 through 3, but if you come in and we can pick out problems from the homework, pages, from the textbook for additional problems if you like, so. Okay. My key is wrong for number 5, so when you guys get close to 5, I will work through that problem on the board. Right, so if there's natural log involved, I can't go through that. That is my natural log, that we're referring to as zero. So if I have natural log involved, I have to go through this original method. But if I'm pairing algebraic, trig, or algebraic exponential, then I prefer to have because it feels easier.
Okay. Also, how do you know which one will happen, which one is G?
Right, so I go through this acronym here, LIST. That's gonna, so whichever is first, uh, whichever comes before is gonna have the higher priority order. So if there's logs involved, then logs always have to be your F, and the other's gonna be your G, or sorry, your G prime. So if you see, so you either see logs in algebraic or algebraic is trig, algebraic or exponential. Those are the options.
Yes.
All right. Number four, partial fraction decomposition, since that denominator can be factored and that denominator has a higher degree than your numerator. We would like to split our original problem up into some of easier terms or easier expressions. Do the cover-up method, solve for A and solve for B. And once you have your A and B solved, then it really should just be natural log to help you get to the end. Careful with that 2x plus 1 though. We do want to go through u substitution to keep track of the fact that there is a 1/2 that's going to come out of that u substitution. Any questions with 4? Let me talk about number 5. Number 5, we have partial fraction along with improper integrals. So we can spend our initial efforts trying to get that fraction to split up into 2 easier parts. So a over x plus b over x minus one. Now, the mistake that I made was I found my a to be -3, but I did not carry that into my integral. So it should be, I highlighted my mistake there. So -3 over x plus 3 over x minus 1 instead of 3 over x plus 3 over x minus 1. Natural log is still the same. It's just that instead of the sum of two natural logs, it should be the difference of two of them. And because it's the difference of two of them, I can actually use log properties to condense it into using quotient property. And once I have it condensed, then I can evaluate between my upper and lower bound. As I evaluate my upper and lower bound, I can do limit as b approaches infinity. I can basically ignore that natural log there. The limit as b approaches infinity of b minus 1 over b, this is essentially comparing degrees because we're approaching infinity, and because the degrees are the same, we take their ratio of the coefficients. B over b is 1 over 1, which is 1, which becomes, we can replace this with natural log of 1, and we know natural log of 1 is 0, so that's going to go away. But that's nice also because we know that we have a better chance of converging if we can show that our limits as b approaches infinity is going to end up being a real number. And then the rest of it is minus natural log of 1/2. This is an acceptable answer, but I just want to show you that on the AP exam, if this multiple choice, it'll probably clean this up a little further, bring that 1/2 up as 2 to the -1, use log properties to bring that -1 down. -1 times 3 is 3, so 3 natural log of 2 seems a little bit more simplified than the -3 natural log of 1/2. But for response, this is fine. But multiple choice, they'll probably leave it like, you'll probably have your answer like this. All right, keep going. Number 6. Any questions 4, 5, or 6? Six, careful that there is a vertical asymptote at 5, and so that's going to impact our integral with, we need to approach the asymptote from the left side of 5, so b approaching 5 from the left side of 5. Let's keep working. 5 more minutes.